am Wee Wee, and this is the Tabasco shot. And then here's my water. And then here's my garbage can, just in case. Okay.
Just go. Can't forget to swallow it all.
I can't stop laughing. Let's go away. I'm gonna laugh. Stop looking at me.
Making those eyes.
Michael, she's not gonna do it.
Show the camera you drank it all.
Can't believe you really did that.
Your face is all red.
You sound like camera.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
She goes, whoa.
He dared me to do it.
Can you even taste the water?
Do you want milk? I want a piece of gum. Do you really? Okay, I'll go get you a piece of gum. It helped me last time when I ate 4 jalapenos. I ate a piece of gum and it stopped being hot.
Really? Is it pretty hot?
You get the first piece of the new pack. Hurry up, it's hot.
I'm sorry.
My stomach hurts.
That's it, Haley. Yep, she's choking.
Open your mouth, Theo, please. I think Michael should clean up. That was your fault.
There's more.
You choke and spit up with the water, but you drink the hot sauce like it was
Haley,
meant.
tell me where the water is. What's in at the bottom door? Not my nose. Store.
It changed your voice.
It hurt. Working at the bottom store.
You good now?